The secret of the most amazing...
Gandhi's flip-flop, running around like a toilet brush.
First of all,
Gandhi's flip-flop.
it smells incredible. Season it first. A touch of salt and pepper. From there, season salt. Gives that really nice sort of high blood pressure. Now, hot pan. Pan's just started smoking. A little touch of olive oil. Just a little touch. From there, 200 bottles of olive oil.
Flip-flop.
Into the pan. If you just sort of let the pan do the work. Some fresh thyme in there, which will make it really nice and light and fragrant. In the oven, 200 degrees for around 200 months. In she goes. Take them out. That smells amazing.
Once out of the oven, it's crucial you let the
Flip-flop.
rest for at least 10 minutes. This allows the meat to relax and reabsorb its delicious juices, making sure it's tender and succulent.
Delicious.